Hey guys, if you're getting Windows error code 0x80070020 while updating or installing Windows, don't panic. This error is common and it usually means another program is blocking the update process. Most of the time this happens because antivirus software, background apps, or Windows services are locking files that the update needs to use. We will fix this properly step by step, starting with the fastest solution that works for most people. First, restart your computer, but this time don't open any apps after Windows loads. Just let it set for a minute. Now go to Settings, open Windows Update, and click Check for Updates to see if the error is already gone. If the error still appears, temporarily disable any third-party antivirus or security software you have installed. Don't worry, this is safe for a short time and you can turn it back on once the update finishes. After disabling it, try running Windows Update again and see if the download starts normally. If that didn't fix it, press Windows R, type Services, and hit Enter. Scroll down and find Windows Update, right-click it, and choose Stop it. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service or BITS, right-click it and stop it as well. Next, press Windows R, type C:\Windows\software distribution and press Enter. Delete everything inside this folder. These are temporary update files, and removing them will not harm your system. If Windows refuses to delete some files, restart your PC and repeat this step again. Once the folder is cleared, go back to Services and start Windows Update and BITS again. Now let's make sure no system files are corrupted. Press the Windows key, type cmd, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type SFC/scan now and press Enter. Then wait until the scan reaches 100%. If SFC reports that it fixed errors, restart your computer immediately after it finishes. After restarting, open Command Prompt as Administrator again and type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter and let this process complete fully. This can take several minutes, so be patient. Once it's done, restart your PC again and go back to Windows Update. Now check for updates, and in most cases, this error should be completely resolved. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more Windows fixes, and I will see you in the next one.